Okay, so objects can have their own functions, and each object function is called a method. So the array object has these useful methods that you can use, and we'll just go through each of these. So the concat method will concatenate two or more arrays and returns a copy of the joined arrays. So you can see here, it will just put these two together. Okay, so it combines this array with this one. Okay. The indexOf will search the array for an element and return its position. So in this example, you want to find the index of apple. So the answer will be 0, 1, 2, and it will return 2. Okay. Let's see. Join will join all elements of an array into a string. So you have all these fruits and they're stored in a variable here, and it just outputs everything. And by default, it's the delimiters are commas, but you could do like spaces or just any character you want to here. The lastIndexOf method will search the array for an element starting at the end and return its position. So the last index here of apple is 2, and if this were apple as well, then it would still be 2 because it's just finding the last instance of that item in the index. Pop will remove the last element of an array and return that element. So it'll remove mango, and the resulting array is this. Push will add new elements to the end of an array, and it will return the new length. So in this instance, you want to add kiwi to the end. Okay, so now the length is 5 instead of 4. Okay, reverse will just reverse the order of the elements in an array. So this array becomes reversed. Shift will remove the first element of an array and return that element. So it removes banana and then returns the other variables. Slice selects a part of an array and returns the new array. So in this case, you're slicing from index 1 to index 3, but it doesn't go, it doesn't include 3. It'll just go 1 and 2. Okay, so you just get orange and lemon. And if you went too far, like you went to 6, then that just goes to the end of whatever's left. So sort will sort the elements of an array. So right here, you get it returned alphabetically. Splice will add or remove elements from an array. So in this case, you want the fruits lemon and kiwi to appear starting at index 2, so 0, 1, and then 2, and then you insert these here. And if for the second number, that's like how many things you want to remove. So if you did 2 there, then it removes the last 2 fruits. And even if you did more than is there, it does the same thing. But in this case, you do 0. So it keeps these 2 at the end. And this just decides the index. So now we inserted index 1. Okay. And toString method converts an array to a string and returns the result. So in this case, the fruits array will be returned to a string. And unshift will add new elements to the beginning of an array and return the new length. So in this case, you just want to add these 2 fruits to the beginning, and then the new length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and valueOf returns the primitive value of an array. So really, this is just a way to return the array. So yeah, these are all useful array methods in JavaScript.